Hello, my name is Matthew Vanderlofsky, and I'm going to be demoing the Epicor ECM / DocStar Gmail OAuth support for the ECM application. DocStar ECM is an application meant to automate a lot of business tasks. And one of the things we do is we have a batch import capability that has a lot of different endpoints, including email. And a recent addition has been to add OAuth support to our email support. So we're going to walk through that right now. I'm currently in the batch import screen. I'm going to create a Gmail demo batch import. I'm going to change my authentication type to OAuth, and I'm going to sign in with Google. I'll go ahead and click that. I'll sign in with my Gmail account. Of course, we're not verified yet. It's a process we're going through right now. And I will go ahead and allow access to my Gmail system. Now that I've been signed in, I can make a couple of changes. I don't want to keep the email body. I don't want inline attachments. I do want to include the header fields as metadata automatically. I also want to change what documents I bring in. I don't want to bring in personal items. I just want to bring in business items. So I'll select that. And once they're brought in, I want to delete them from my system, delete them from my Gmail system. A content type dictates, well, the content type for that document. In this case, they're just called a demo one, but they could be an invoice, AP, AR, whatever it might be. This content type drives a workflow, which we'll see in a moment. I'm not going to use inboxes. I'm not going to use folders in this case. I will pre-process. I'll go ahead and save this, and I'll go ahead and allow it to run. Now, just so you know, while that's running, we can look back at my Gmail system. You can see I have a bunch of invoices. They were in business. They've already been imported, so they're no longer in business. If I switch back to Epicor ECM and I look at my workflows, I'll refresh this page and we see that we now have 4 items in this workflow queue. It extracted just the attachment. I could have kept the email body as well if I wanted to, if it had valuable information in it. If I go ahead and view the document, currently I have this workflow set up as a very simplistic workflow. It just asks the user to approve or deny the invoice. There's a lot of complex routing rules that can be set up. It can also reach out to third-party ERP systems or accounting systems to automatically add invoice information. One of the other things it does is it also automatically captures fields like titles and dates and the actual file name that came through, which can be used as metadata later on. I'll go ahead and approve this, and it will disappear from my workflow. So now I just have 3 items, and now I've finished processing in that way. And that's OAuth in a nutshell. Thank you.